Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit a stunning Moody matte look in Lightroom, step by step and beginner friendly. But before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an editing trick. All right, let's get into the tutorial. Set the whites to +4, then set the blacks to 6. Vibrance to +10 and saturation to -5. Click in the grading option and in shadow set hue to +220 and saturation to +15, blending to 100 and balance to -20. Highlight option and set hue to +40 and saturation to +10. Click on the effects option, then set the texture to +10. Grain, set the amount to 25, size to 30, and roughness to 40. In the optics option, just enable lens corrections. Now let's see the before and after results in the upcoming transition. Thanks for watching.